Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries, fire sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries, fire sign. Under the deck, Four of Cups. I think Aries, you are in separation with your person, or for some, you're feeling bored, you're feeling alone. And Ace of Swords, Four of Wands. I think you want clarity from your person's side. There is clarity is missing in this relationship, or for some truth came out. Four of Wands, but you want this happiness with this person, but it is not happening. That's why you're feeling missed opportunity with them. You're feeling sad. You're feeling alone. Aries. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Five of Swords, clarification cards, Knight of Wands, Two of Wands, and Nine of Swords. So definitely they backstabbed on you. They cheated on you. Maybe your person is a liar or a player. Yes, definitely, because knights always come and go. There will be no consistency. This is on and off connection. So you are thinking about them a lot. Maybe they have options. So they always keep putting you in anxiety and depression type of energy. Aries, they always keep putting you in anxiety or depression type of energy. So it was your past. Then present, King of Swords. So then you started thinking through your logical mind. Then you become stubborn. And you are in some type of confusion because Two of Cups is here. It's a mutual love, but you don't know what to do. You are in some type of confusion, and for some it is one type of ending between you and your person, death and rebirth. But you're still hoping on this connection. You still want rebirth in this connection because death versus rebirth here. It is already ended, but you want rebirth because Two of Cups. It's a mutual love. For some third party involved in this connection, then future Ace of Cups, clarification cards, Five of Cups, the Star and the Moon. So Ace of Cups, definitely you love this person, you missing them if you are in separation, and for some you are doing manifesting techniques to manifest them back into your life, and you have hopes on this connection. Still you are hoping because the Star is here. Yeah. And for some other cases, even though you are feeling sad, you are loving yourself. You and your well-being, you are taking care of yourself, you started something new into your life. Yes, you are manifesting something big into your life. Here two cases, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, or Scorpio especially. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Aries. under the death, definitely there is one type of ending between you and your person, Aries. Lots of you are in separation and they're in the process of making decision. Yeah. And some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. Lots of you are in long distance relationship, Aries. So their current feelings, King of Pentacles, Temperance, and the Star, clarification cards. So they really want to offer stability. They're thinking about stability and they're hoping if you are in separation, they're being very patient. Maybe your person waiting for right time to approach you. Yeah, they want to balance things between both of you. I think there is no balance in this connection in past. Then their intentions, Eight of Wands, clarification cards, Knight of Cups, and Hangman. So they want to communicate with you. Aries, lots of communication is coming. Definitely, and there is some change is coming. And it is coming very fastly. And they want to offer their cup of love to you. They have romantic feelings for you. Aries. So they are stuck on you. And there is a lots of communication is coming for you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Sagittarius or Aquarius or Scorpio. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. They're ready to offer equal give and take. Maybe in past they in and out of your life. I already told you. But now they're ready to offer equal give and take. And they're thinking about you 24/7. Yeah. They're now realizing you both. They're heartbroken without you. And they're ready to say apology to you. There is text communication is coming for you. And this time they're really serious about you. They want partnership with you. And for some you both could be colleagues working in same company or same area, maybe you both college or school, whatever. Six of Cups. I think you're also thinking about them a lot and you want brand new beginnings. Yes. For some, even though you're thinking about them, you are okay with yourself. You're going with the flow and living in the present moment. But some of you still wanting this person back. You're still thinking about them a lot and doing manifesting techniques to manifest them back. Yeah. Lots of communication. You're also manifesting communication. What you are manifesting, it is coming for you. Lots of communication is coming. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, right now you both going through some transformation and you both are stuck each other. That's why you both are going through some transformation. And one more yeah, there is some thing stable is coming in this relationship. Yeah, commitment is coming, but it will take some time because right now you both are transforming and this connection, the whole connection is going through some transformation and there will be something stable is coming. Definitely lots of communication is coming for you in future. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Aries. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I'm not feel good enough for you. I'm crazy about you and I fantasize about you. So the messages are I fantasize about you. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I am not feel good enough for you, and I'm crazy about you. So these are the messages from your person. And so let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Aries. Hold your vision, fixed Moon. So if you're dreaming about something, you want to achieve something, this is the message for you. Hold your vision. Two cards. You are good enough, full moon in Virgo. So this is the message for you. If you are feeling that you are not good enough, so don't feel like that way. Respect yourself, love yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.